Are you looking for the best ignition coils in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best ignition coils that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the INA set of 8 Ignition Coil Pack. This INA Ignition Coil Pack is our top pick for the best overall set of ignition coils. They offer improved fuel efficiency, misfire elimination, and longevity, providing a direct quality replacement to any previous faulty ignition coil. The coils in this INA Ignition Coil Pack can also be easily screwed in and come with a 1-year limited warranty. I replaced these as well as the injectors and plugs at the same time on my Zo2 Dodge Ram 4.7 with 134,000 miles, wrote one happy buyer. MPG went back up to original estimated factory MPG when new instantly. Engine runs a lot smoother, no longer feel it idling, and doesn't feel like it's laboring anymore. Up next in the 4th place is the Kill Ignition Coil. This set of 6 ignition coils from Kill is great for reducing many issues commonly associated with low-quality ignition coils, including long crank time, no or hard starting misfires, lack of power, inconsistent transmission shifts, and poor fuel economy, to name a few. Made from high-quality materials, this ignition coil pack is easy to install utilizing a simple plug-in system. As it's not suitable for all cars, customers can browse through all available models. Amazing product, wrote the owner of a 2012 Chevy Traverse who was experiencing hesitation, power lag, MPG drop, RPM flutter, and rough shifting. After replacing each spark plug to no avail, they continued. I installed these last night and was so impressed I made my wife take her car for a spin. She said it was like driving a completely different car. The 3rd product on our list is the Mass Ignition Coil. This ignition coil pack from Mass includes 6 ignition coils that offer a direct replacement over the original stock coils. They're reliable, durable, and able to withstand extreme conditions while providing a strong spark from the spark plugs, as well as resistance to corrosion, abrasion, and high electrical flow. This ignition coil pack doesn't fit every car, so it's a good idea to browse through the various types and vehicle compatibilities. Installed these, along with new NGK plugs and my 2009 Acura MDX, wrote one reviewer. Test drive went well, engine running smoothly. I know these are much less expensive than the OEM coils, so somewhat concerned about long-term durability, but my son just drove 500 miles from California to Texas, a 3-day trip, and the car ran perfectly. So far, so good. 2nd on our list is the TRQ High Performance Ignition Coil Kit Set. As far as durability goes, this ignition coil pack from TRQ ticks the box. They offer a direct fit over the previous OEM faulty ignition coils and meet the exact fitment requirements of vehicle manufacturers. As a bonus, TRQ is home to the largest installation video library, making the fitting process even easier. I installed these on a 2018 Ford Taurus, show that is full bolt-on and tuned, pushing about 550 wheel horsepower, read one review. These coils so far after 1,000 miles have held up. I set the cruise and still get 25.5 mpg on the highway. Finally, the top product on our list is the Delphi GN10114 Ignition Coil. If you're not a professional mechanic and are in the market for an easy-to-install ignition coil replacement, the Delphi GN10114 Ignition Coil is an excellent choice. This Delphi ignition coil is engineered to original equipment specifications and includes a winding process technique that contributes to better performance and insulation. One customer wrote, "Took 20 minutes to install. Auto repair charged me $500 to do the same thing." An owner of a 2003 Chevrolet Trailblazer reviewed, "The coils are easy to replace, but the spark plugs on number 1 and 2 cylinders are tough without a swiveling, thin-walled 6-inch magnetic spark plug wrench. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.